your girl Mocha, and I'm back with another video. As you can tell by the title and the disaster behind me, I am going to be doing a clean with me video. I'm going to clean more than just my bedroom, but I am going to split it up into separate videos. So for now, I'm going to clean up my bedroom. I just got off work, you guys, and I cannot proceed with my day with my room looking like this. My bed sheets, well, the bottom sheet and the comforter and the mattress cover are in the washing machine right now. Don't worry about that. What you see right there, that's a memory foam mattress. It had a cover on it, but it got really dirty because of my kids sleeping with me. You know how that goes. So I took that cover off. I bought a new mattress cover, and that mattress cover is in the washing machine with my bottom sheets and my comforter. I think my comforter, yeah, my comforter is right there on the floor behind me, but my sheets are in the washing machine. So right now I am just going to clean off my bed, just clean off. I don't know if you guys can see the floor behind me. You guys know that I am a working mom, so 95% of the time I'm just waking up in the morning, showering, picking out clothes and going. So that's why it's clothes everywhere, shoes everywhere, and it's just a mess in here. You guys may or may not know that I just started school, so that's another thing that's been keeping me super busy besides work. What I'm going to do, this is my only time that I'm really going to talk in this video. The rest of it's going to be in montage format, so you guys can just watch me clean. It may be a bit therapeutic for you guys, because I know when I watch cleaning videos, it kind of motivates me to clean. It kind of motivates me to just get up and just do something very productive. I probably will not be cleaning my entire house today. My entire house actually does not need to be cleaned. I think that sometimes I get bored and just clean things. So my bathroom is probably going to be the next video, and then my kitchen, even though it's like only 2 dishes in the sink. But y'all know me, I'm very clean. I'm a very neat person, so I like everything tidied up. I just like to come home to a clean house. I like to come home to a house that is smelling good. So pretty much I'm just about to be cleaning. If you guys like this video and want to see more videos like this, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Be sure to follow me on all of my social medias. I'll put my social media, I'll put my Instagram right here on the screen. If not there, then definitely in the description box. Please turn on that post notification bell so that you could be notified every time your girl posts a new video. And yeah, we're just about to get into this video, y'all. I hope y'all enjoy it. So I just wanted to give y'all a quick tip. I actually keep my shoes in these boxes. I got them from Target, like during the, like, you know, when the college season begins, they have like things for your dorm and sales and things like that. So these came in a set of 5, and I got a whole bunch of sets of them, and they're just these clear storage boxes. I have some with gray tops and some with green tops, and my shoes are small enough to the point where they fit in these boxes, and I just stack them up on each other on my closet shelf. See, my shoes fit perfectly in there. And I'll show y'all my closet in another video, because that's a whole nother cleaning video, y'all. But at least the shoes are organized. And if you guys want a sneaker collection, just let me know down in the comment section, and I would definitely give y'all that video. Back to cleaning. Do these lashes, y'all. So this is my humble abode. It's my closet, and it's like might as well bust it down while I'm in the mood. Pretty much clean. I need to get Windex for that mirror. I have cleaned off my nightstand where my TV goes. My TV is going to be mounted right there, so I'm just waiting on that. The room is pretty much clean though. That desk is garbage because I don't know where the screws are for it, and it's missing like a part or two. So I'm waiting on the new desk so that I can put my printer and my desk supplies and everything on that desk. That tote, I'm waiting on the dresser to come in. I haven't really been in this apartment that long, but I still like my room and my house very clean and tidy. So I am going to do this mirror on camera, and that will be the last thing that I would do for this video and for this room. I pretty much straightened up my closet for the most part. I still have boxes and things in there, but don't mind that. I put shoes up that were out and everything like that. I put the clothes up, and pretty much my closet is how it normally is. I never like over clean my closet. This Nike bag is full of sports bras that are too small, so I have to take those back. And I will do that on Tuesday once I'm off. And I might just take you guys with me, so please stay tuned for that video. I'm going to go ahead and knock this mirror out on or off camera. I haven't figured it out yet, but that will be the end of the video. Thanks you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so that you can be notified every time I post a new video.